Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today we will start with arithmetic operations. So what are the four basic arithmetic operations? The four basic arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the basic arithmetic operations. Of course, there are advanced operations. You will learn it in the higher classes. Now we will start with addition and subtraction. We will start with addition and subtraction of integers. So if I write this symbol, it means it is AND. Okay. Now, before going into the addition and subtractions, suppose if a number is 6 is there, if a number 6 is there means if no sign involved here, it automatically means it is positive 6. If I write 5, it means it is positive 5. If I write 17 means it is positive 17. Default it is positive only. If I use the word positive means the word positive indicates plus, the word negative indicates minus. Okay, shall we start then? So here I have written few examples. If I add two numbers which are both positive, plus 10 plus 5, what we have to do? We have to add and keep the positive sign. What is 10 plus 5? 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. So when we add two positive numbers, the result should be added and we have to keep the positive sign. If nothing is written here means default it is positive 15. When both the numbers are negative, we have to add and keep the negative sign. What is 10 plus 5? 15. Then we have to retain the minus sign. Suppose if one number is negative, the other number is positive. In that case, we have to subtract now. We have to do the normal subtraction and keep the greater number sign. What we get when you subtract 10 from 5 from 10, we get 5. And which is a greater number here? 10 is a greater number. It has a negative sign. So negative 5. Again, if it is 10 minus 5, what we have to do? One number is positive, the other number is negative. We have to subtract and keep the greater number sign. What is 10 minus 5? 10 minus 5 is 5. Since 10 is a larger number, it has a positive sign. The result is positive 5. Okay. Shall we solve some more problems? What is minus 8 minus 4? Both the numbers are negative. What we have to do? We have to add and retain the minus sign. Minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. Suppose if it is minus 8 plus 4, what we have to do? We have to subtract and keep the greater number sign. First we will subtract. What we get if you subtract 4 from 8? We get 4. Is it positive 4 or negative 4? It is negative 4 because 8 is a greater number. It has a negative sign. So minus 4. Suppose if it is 8 minus 4, what we have to do? There is one number positive, the other number is negative. We have to subtract. What is 8 minus 4? 4 is the answer. Is it positive 4 or negative 4? It is positive 4 since 8 is a greater number. It has positive sign. As I told you, if no sign is written means automatically it is positive. So plus 4. Even if you write 4 also it's fine. Even if you write plus 4 also it's fine. Both are correct. Now, suppose if I write minus 12 minus 8, what we get? Minus 12 and minus 8. Try it by yourself now. What we get? Minus 12 minus 8. Both the numbers are negative. We have to add and keep the negative sign. So minus 12 minus 8 is minus 20. Minus 20. Suppose if I write minus 12 plus 8. What we need to do now? Do we need to add or do we need to subtract? We need to subtract. Because one number is negative and the other number is positive. What we get if we subtract 8 from 12? We get 4. Now decide this sign, whether it is positive 4 or negative 4. How do you decide this sign? By looking at the larger number. Which is the larger number here? 12 is the larger number and it has a negative sign. So minus 4 is the answer. So let me take one more problem. Suppose if it is minus 80 minus 20. What we have to do? We have to add or we have to subtract. So look at the numbers. Both the numbers are negative. So we have to add. What is 80 plus 20? We get 100. Since both the numbers are negative, we get negative 100. Am I clear? I hope you all are able to understand. So shall we take 3-digit numbers now? Yes, we will take 3-digit numbers now. Suppose next example, if I write minus 8 minus 2 plus 4. So how to solve this one? So I will solve this problem in 3 ways. Okay, first I will take these two numbers. What is minus 8 minus 2? Minus 8 minus 2, both the numbers are negative. We have to add and retain the minus sign. Minus 8 minus 2 is minus 10, and we have to write, and I will retain this 4 as it is. Now there is a negative number and a positive number. We need to subtract. What is 10 minus 4? We get 6 here. And look, decide the sign, whether it is positive 6 or negative 6. For that you have to look at the greater number. It has 10 is a greater number. It has a negative sign. So minus 6 is the answer. So I will solve the same problem with the other method. So shall we take these two first? We will retain minus 8 as it is. This is minus 2. Be careful with the sign. Minus 2 plus 4. What we have to do? It is minus 2 plus 4. Don't take it as 2 plus 4 and don't write it as 6 now. It is minus 2 plus 4. If you write 6, it is wrong. If you write 6, it is wrong. Okay. What is minus 2 plus 4? It is plus 2. We have to subtract and keep the greater number sign. Now what is minus 8 plus 2? Again we have to subtract. Remove 2 from 8. We get 6. 8 is a greater number. It has a negative sign. See, same answer we got. Can we solve this problem with another method? So first here we will take minus 8 and plus 4 we will take. What is minus 8 plus 4? One number is negative and it is positive. You have to subtract. What is, if you remove 8 from 8, we get 4. Since 8 is a greater number, it has negative sign. So minus 8. We will retain minus 2 as it is. What is minus 4 minus 2 now? Minus 6. See, same thing we have got. We can follow any one of the methods. Are you all clear? Okay, try this one. Pause the video and try it out now. So minus 10 plus 2 minus 8. Try it by yourself. I'll wait for a few seconds. Okay, I'll continue now. So which method shall we take? You can take any method. Shall I take these two first? What is minus 10 plus 2? Minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8. We will retain minus 8 as it is. So both the numbers are negative. What we have to do? Minus 8 means we have to add and retain the minus sign. We get minus 16. So minus 16 is the answer. One more example. Suppose if I write 20 minus 9 plus 2. Okay, which two numbers shall I take? I'll take these two. Okay, we will retain 20 as it is. What is minus 9 plus 2? One is negative, the other one is positive. We have to subtract. If you remove 2 from 9, we get 7. Since 9 is a greater number, it has a negative sign. So minus 7 is the answer. So what is 20 minus 7 now? 13 is the final answer. It is positive 13 because 20 is a greater number. Next one. So I'll increase the digits now. If I write minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, what we get? All the numbers are negative. What we have to do? We have to add and retain the minus sign. So what we get? 4, 8, 12, 16. Since all are negative, we get minus 16. Minus 16 is the answer. Same kind of problem I'll write now. Minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. What we get now? All the numbers are negative. Add it. 10, 20, 30, 40. Since all are negative, the result is negative 40. Am I clear with this? Chalo. Before moving on to the next problem, take a note of this point. Suppose if we have negative 4 and positive 4, what we get? 0. So minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled. So we can cancel like this. We use it like this. Minus 4 plus 4. Chakachak we can cancel. Suppose if it is 5 minus 5, what can we do? We can cancel chakachak and we'll get 0. Suppose if it is minus 10 plus 10, what shall we do? We can cancel chakachak and we'll get 0. Suppose if it is m and minus m is a variable here. Again we can cancel, plus m minus m gets cancelled, we get 0. Cancel means we are getting the result as 0 means. We get as 0 there. If it is minus 100 plus 100, what shall we do now? We will cancel it. Minus 100 plus 100 cancelled, the result is 0. Okay, we will use this concept in the next problem, coming problem. Okay, next example. Minus 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4. See, observe the problem now. So if you get an opportunity, if you get a chance to reduce or to cancel the numbers, it's better to cancel in the beginning only. Okay, can we cancel anything in this problem? Yes, we can. We are having minus 8 here and plus 8 here. We have positive 8 and negative 8. Can I cancel those two? So minus 8 plus 8, damar. So what remains now? 4 plus 4. What is 4 plus 4? 8. Okay, now next one. So if I, 9 plus 8 minus 9 minus 8. Try to cancel it out. What all we can cancel? Plus 9 minus 9, damar. Then plus 8 minus 8 gets cancelled. All the numbers got cancelled. So the result is 0. 0 is the answer. 0 is the answer. Next one. Now, minus 4 plus 10 minus 4 plus 10. So try it by yourself now. Pause the video and let me know the answer in the comment section. So if you cancel minus 4 plus 10 and if you write 0, then it is wrong. Why it is wrong? I'll explain you. So what we have, I'm just writing it on the question again. Minus 4 plus 10 we have. Minus 4 plus 10 we have. Can we cancel minus 4 minus 4? No, we cannot cancel minus 4 minus 4. We can cancel only if the number is positive, the other number is negative. So then only we can cancel. Here what we have minus 4 here, minus 4 here. Both the numbers are negative. You cannot cancel minus 4 minus 4. So what we get? Minus 4 minus 4, we get minus 8. And can we cancel plus 10 minus 10? No, you cannot cancel plus 10 minus 10. Both the numbers are positive. What we get? If we add both the numbers, we get plus 20 here. Plus 20. Now we are remaining with minus 8 and plus 20. So what we have to do? Subtract. 20 minus 8, we get 12. So 12 is the answer here. 12 is the answer. Okay, this problem can be solved in this way also. Minus 4 plus 10 minus 4 plus 10. You can take these two. What we get? Minus 4 plus 10, we get 6. Again, minus 4 plus 10, what we get? 6. What is 6 plus 6? 12 is the answer. I hope everyone is able to understand. Chalo, next one. Now, try this one. Minus 4 plus 3 minus 4 plus 3 minus 4 plus 3. What we get? Try it by yourself. So you want to cancel minus 4 minus 4? No, you cannot cancel the numbers with the same sign. So how shall we start? I'll take this two up. What is minus 4 plus 3? We get minus 1. What is minus 4 plus 3? We get minus 1. What is minus 4 plus 3? We get minus 1. All the numbers are negative now. Just add it and retain the minus sign. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, we get minus 3. So minus 3 is the answer. Next one. Minus 10 minus 4 plus 14 minus 8 plus 8. Use your common sense. Use your CS. If I use the word CS means it is common sense. Okay. try it by yourself now. I'll wait for a few seconds. What is the answer? What is the answer? Okay, if I observe the problem carefully, so what shall I do? I'll cancel this minus 8 plus 8. I can cancel. Then what is minus 10 minus 4? We'll get minus 14 here, and we have plus 14 here. Again, we got negative 14 and positive 14. So we can check, we can cancel. Everything got cancelled. What we are having now, we are remaining with 0. The final answer is 0. Next one. Minus 8 plus 9 minus 8 plus 9. So try this one. It's very easy. I'm just doing basic problems. Simple problems I'm solving. What we get? Got the answer? Okay, I'll take these two. What I get here? Minus 8 plus 9 is plus 1. We have to subtract and keep the greater number same. Same thing. Minus 8 plus 9 is plus 1. What is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 is 2 is the answer. Next one. Suppose if I write minus 5 plus 20. What is the answer? Minus 5, all are negative. What we have to do? We have to add 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 20. Since all are negative, we get minus 10. And what is here now? Here we have plus 20. So minus 20 plus 20, check, we can cancel. And the result is 0. Some students get confused with this part. If I write minus 4, minus 3, what they try to do, they just multiply this. Minus into minus, they write plus here. Minus into minus, they write plus. Then they will add 4 plus 3 is 7. This is wrong. Okay? Because there is no multiplication involved here. We are still dealing with addition and subtraction. You cannot multiply this minus into minus. You cannot call it as minus into minus. See, there is no multiplication involved here. Multiplication means we can use this symbol or we can use brackets, parentheses, square brackets, curly braces. These things indicates multiplication. So there is no symbol involved in this problem. You cannot say that minus into minus plus. You cannot write it. It's wrong. This is wrong. Okay. We will discuss this multiplication part in the coming videos. Now I'll solve another 2 problems. Last 2 problems, and I'll wind this video. Last 2 problems. Okay. Minus 20 minus 30 plus 70 minus 40. Okay, how shall we start? Shall I take these two first? What is minus 20 minus 30? Minus 50. Then I'll take these two. What is 70 minus 40? 70 minus 40 is plus 30. What is minus 30 plus 30? You have to subtract. We get 20. Since 50 is a greater number, we get minus 20. The last problem now. So if you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section. I will clarify your doubts in the next class. Minus 4 plus 9 minus 3 minus 12. How shall we solve this? You can solve in any order. You can take these two first numbers, then last to first, then or else you can take these two first, then these two next, or you can make combination of these two and these two. You can follow any order, provided you have to follow the rules. Okay. See, how shall we start? Okay, I'll take these two. Minus 4 minus 12. Okay, minus 4 minus 12 minus 16. And what about these two? Plus 9 minus 3. Plus 9 minus 3 is plus 6. What we get? There is a negative number and there is a positive number. What we get? You have to subtract. 16 only. If you remove 6, we get 10. Since 16 is a greater number, the result is negative 10. This is 16. Okay. I hope everyone understood it. So, this is all. we will meet in the next video. I'll start with multiplication part. If you have any doubts regarding addition and subtraction, please mention it in the comment section. I will clarify your doubts in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.